Hey everybody, my name is Brandon Levine and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be very quick. I just want to address something that I just found out in the latest patch for AEM. This is patch 6.5.5, and one thing I noticed basically immediately is that the package share integration with AEM has been removed. I was kind of bummed out about this because very convenient way on accessing the packages to download and install, the latest updates to your AEM instance. I'm not too sure why they removed it. We can go to the documentation, minimize out of this. This is the documentation or the release notes on 6.5.5. Here they state they removed package share integration with Adobe Experience Manager. Again, not too sure why. Kind of bummed out about this. So now, in order to access Package Manager, in case you're not aware, I'll leave a link to these notes in the description. You can just go to the URL right here, and it'll take you to Package Manager, and you just sign in as normal. I'm going to sign in with my Adobe ID. And now we're taken to Package Share. It just brought me to the latest service pack, but as we can see, it looks normal, and everything is still here. But again, just want to point out that if you upgrade to 6.5.5, the package share integration with AEM has been removed, and this is the way you have to access Package Manager now by going to adobeamcloud.com. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know if you find out why package share has been removed. But other than that, have a great day. Bye.